Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unpin TikTok video. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile, choose the clip you want to unpin. Now tap on three dots that is on the right corner of your screen. You will see a lot of options. Tap on Unpin. So that is how you unpin TikTok video. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.